Which is more nutritious, Greek yogurt or regular yogurt? Yogurt is a popular dairy product enjoyed by many people around the world. It comes in different varieties, with Greek yogurt and regular yogurt being two of the most common types. Both have their unique benefits, but you might wonder which one is more nutritious. Let's take a closer look at the differences and benefits of each to help you decide. What is yogurt? Yogurt is made by fermenting milk with beneficial bacteria. This process thickens the milk and gives yogurt its tangy flavor. Both Greek yogurt and regular yogurt go through this basic process, but there are some differences in how they are made and their nutritional content. What is regular yogurt? Regular yogurt is the standard type of yogurt that most people are familiar with. It is smooth, creamy, and can be enjoyed plain or with added flavors and sweeteners. Here are some key points about regular yogurt. 1. Texture and consistency. Regular yogurt has a smooth and creamy texture. 2. Protein content. It contains a moderate amount of protein, usually about 5 to 10 grams per serving. 3. Calcium. Regular yogurt is a good source of calcium, which is important for strong bones and teeth. 4. Probiotics. It contains beneficial bacteria known as probiotics that can help with digestion and gut health. 5. Calories and sugar. Depending on the brand and flavor, regular yogurt can vary in calories and sugar content. Plain regular yogurt typically has less sugar than flavored varieties. What is Greek yogurt? Greek yogurt is a type of yogurt that has been strained to remove most of the whey, resulting in a thicker and creamier product. Here are some important points about Greek yogurt. 1. Texture and consistency. Greek yogurt is thicker and creamier than regular yogurt because it has been strained to remove excess liquid. 2. Protein content. It has a higher protein content, often around 15 to 20 grams per serving. This makes it a great option for people looking to increase their protein intake. 3. Calcium. Greek yogurt still contains calcium, but slightly less than regular yogurt due to the straining process. 4. Probiotics. Like regular yogurt, Greek yogurt also contains probiotics that support digestion and gut health. 5. Calories and sugar. Greek yogurt can be higher in calories due to its thicker consistency, but plain Greek yogurt typically has less sugar than flavored varieties. Comparing the nutrition. When comparing Greek yogurt and regular yogurt, there are a few key nutritional differences to consider. 1. Protein. Greek yogurt has more protein, which can help keep you fuller for longer and support muscle health. 2. Calories. Greek yogurt can be higher in calories, but this can vary depending on the brand and whether the yogurt is plain or flavored. 3. Calcium. Regular yogurt generally has more calcium, which is important for bone health. 4. Sugar. Both types of yogurt can contain added sugars, especially in flavored varieties. Plain versions of both are usually lower in sugar. Which one is healthier? The answer to which yogurt is healthier depends on your nutritional needs and preferences. Here are some considerations. 1. If you need more protein, Greek yogurt is a better choice due to its higher protein content. 2. If you need more calcium, regular yogurt might be the better option as it typically contains more calcium. 3. If you are watching your sugar intake, choose plain versions of either Greek or regular yogurt to avoid added sugars. 4. If you prefer a thicker texture, Greek yogurt's creamy consistency might be more satisfying for you. Both Greek yogurt and regular yogurt have their unique nutritional benefits. Greek yogurt is higher in protein and thicker, making it a great option for those looking to increase their protein intake. Regular yogurt is higher in calcium and has a smoother texture. Ultimately, the healthier choice depends on your personal dietary needs and taste preferences. Enjoying a mix of both can give you the best of both worlds. If you have appreciated this video, please subscribe to the channel for more insightful health content.